Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix Instagram delayed notifications. To know how to fix Instagram delayed notifications, you should just go to settings like this. After that, in this page, you will go to apps here like this, as you see. And when you will see this list, you will go down to find the application of Instagram. Then here in this page you will go to full stop, and when you will click here you will go to storage. After that, in this page you will go to clear cache, and then you will click clear data, and you can turn off your Wi-Fi. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for watching.